How to fix Epson printer leak problem. Leaking of inks is one of the problem in using Epson printer. This is because the ink waste pad is already full and dirty. That's why you have to clean or replace it. In this video, I will teach you how to clean the ink waste pad to fix the leak problem of your printer. First, you have to remove the screw at the back of the printer. Wear gloves to avoid stain in your hands, although the printer ink is washable and water soluble. Then, remove the cover. Remove the screw in the ink waste pad tank. Then, pull out the container. As you can see, the ink waste pad is already full and dirty. Wear gloves, then wash the ink waste pad, the container, and the cover. Don't worry because the ink will not stain in your laboratory because it is water soluble. Wash the pad until it turns white. Let it dry. Clean the printer before putting back the tank. Return the ink waste pad in the container. and the cover. Make sure to return the screw and do the test print. Check if it still have a leak. You may also need to reset the ink waste pad counter. Please check other videos on how to reset it. If there's still a leak, you can replace the ink waste pad, and it is also available through online shopping app. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.